Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English Consistently. Today we are going to practice a natural English conversation about hobbies and daily habits through shadowing practice. So listen carefully, repeat confidently, and let's begin. Hey, it's so nice to finally meet you after such a long time. I know life has been really busy lately. How have you been? I'm doing well. Just trying to manage work, daily routine, and personal time. What about you? Same here. These days, I'm trying to focus more on myself and my hobbies. That's really good. So, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? I enjoy reading books, doing yoga, meditating, listening to podcasts and music. Wow, that sounds like such a peaceful lifestyle. When did you start yoga and meditation? I started about a year ago. At first, it was difficult to stay consistent, but slowly it became a habit. That's amazing. I also want to start yoga, but I get distracted very easily. That's completely normal in the beginning. Start with just a few minutes every day. Small habits create big changes over time. That's true. And what kind of books do you usually read? Mostly motivational and self improvement books. They help me stay positive and focused. Yes, definitely. What kind of podcast do you listen to? I mostly listen to motivational podcasts while walking or doing household works. That's such a productive use of time. Yes, and honestly, podcasts have improved my listening skills a lot. Sometimes I even repeat sentence loudly for speaking practice. That's actually a great method for improving spoken English. Yes, and also shadowing practice really works if we do it regularly. And what about music? What type of songs do you enjoy listening to? Enjoy calm and relaxing songs. Whenever I feel stressed or tired, music instantly improves my mood. Same here. Music really feels like therapy sometimes. Absolutely. I think hobbies are very important because they help us stay happy, peaceful, and mentally fresh. I completely agree with you. Talking to you today actually motivated me to improve my lifestyle too. I'm happy to hear that. We should always make time for ourselves no matter how busy life becomes. That's true, and honestly, I'm feeling very inspired after this conversation. That's great. Let's stay consistent and keep improving ourselves little by little every day. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep practicing daily, stay consistent, and speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you.